Hey everyone, it's Tundeka here. We're in the business of peace of mind, and in today's world, that starts with top-tier security. That's why we're proud to be a leading importer, distributor, manufacturer, and seller of cutting-edge security and technology products. Whether you're an installer looking for the latest gear, a reseller serving your clients, or an end user ready to fortify your home or business, we have the solutions you need. We've curated a comprehensive range of products, from the most basic to the highly sophisticated, ensuring we've got every angle covered. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through our diverse product portfolio, highlighting the key features and benefits of each solution. We're talking about the stuff that keeps you, your loved ones, and your assets safe and sound. Let's dive in. We're talking top-of-the-line biometric readers, facial, finfer and palm, RFID tags, smart locks, the works. From electric strikes to intercoms, we've got your secure entry management covered. Analog to IP cameras, DVRs to NVRs, even AI-powered analytics. License plate recognition, we've got it. Complete surveillance solutions, all under one roof. We're talking serious protection turnstiles, walk-through metal detection, X-ray machines, electric fencing, razor wire, fiber optic detection, under-vehicle surveillance, the gold standard in perimeter security. We offer wired and wireless alarm panels, motion sensors, door and window sensors, panic buttons, everything you need for that early warning system. Smoke detectors, heat detectors, Colorado detectors, fire alarm panels, we've got your back. Safety first, people, and we're here to make sure of it. PoE switches, cabling, network cabinets, we're talking seamless connectivity for all your security solutions, because a weak link can be a deal breaker. Power outages? Not on our watch. We offer UPS systems, battery backups, solar panel integrations, the works to keep your security systems up and running. We've got all the tools of the trade, crimping tools, stripping tools, testing tools, you name it. We even have weatherproof housings and toolkits to make your life easier. Welcome to the future. We're talking wireless alarm systems, smart sensors, video doorbells, and app-based automation. You can control your security from anywhere in the world. GPS trackers, RFID asset tags, real-time container tracking, we're taking asset security to the next level. Know where your valuables are at all times. Guard tour systems, body-worn cameras, GPS panic buttons, these are the tools that empower your security personnel. Safety and accountability go hand in hand. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of cutting-edge security solutions. We're passionate about providing the highest level of protection for our clients, and we're confident that we have the products and expertise to meet your unique needs. Whether you're looking to secure a small apartment or a sprawling corporate campus, our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way. We're not just selling products, we're selling peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive security solutions and let us help you create a safer tomorrow.